All right, good morning, traders. Today is November 17th, 2023. My name is John Carrigan. I moderate the BYOB trading room. I want to thank everyone for being here early this morning in the BYOB room. I hope you all have a wonderful day. My SPY pivot this morning is 449.30. Above it, I'm a bull. Below it, I'm a bear. The Fab 5, which is SPY, FNGU, QQQ, DIA, and IWM, all in daily uptrends, holding on to their higher highs made on their daily charts. So DIA, that's the Dow. IWM, that would be the Russell 2000. SPY would be the S&P 500. And the QQQ is going to be the NASDAQ 100. All right, so the U.S. dollar index continues to hover over 104 area. USO, which would be crude oil, and UNG, that would be natural gas, remain in daily downtrends with lower lows and lower highs on their daily charts. Silver has just made a daily uptrend yesterday by making the higher high. So silver now in a daily uptrend. Gold and silver continue with their daily uptrends. I'm still searching and waiting for the higher low to be made on the Fab 5. Let's go take a look at some charts. Start off the first chart. Let's start off with SPY. All right, so here we are with SPY making yesterday's price action, lower high, lower low. And you can see we've made a higher high. Here's the last high, and SPY makes a higher high. So SPY in uptrend status because on the daily chart, making that higher high. Now let's take a look at QQQ. QQQ doing about the same thing. Here's the last high, makes a higher high. It's now in an uptrend. Yesterday's price action, lower high, lower low. No surprise there. So let's take a look at FNGU. FNGU doing the same thing. Got a higher high. Here's the last high. So it is also in uptrend status. All right, yesterday's price action, lower high and a lower low. So FNGU in a daily uptrend as well. IWM making the 2 days ago making the higher high. So IWM now in uptrend status. We have a higher low and a higher high. This makes IWM also in an uptrend. Here's the pullback to the 3 EMA yesterday. So here's IWM. Let's take a look at Diamond Dow. Diamond Dow is uptrend. Here's the last high, makes a higher high, so that makes it in a daily uptrend. Yesterday's price action, kind of an equal high, and a slightly lower low, not too bad. Notice the body closed inside yesterday's the previous day's body right there. So kind of an inside day for Diamond Dow. Let's take a look at SMH. SMH making new highs here. So here's SMH all the way up at the highs. Yesterday's price action making an equal high and equal low. Another inside day for SMH. So right up here in the previous high. So technology really doing quite well in this end of the year season right now that we got. So SMH in a daily uptrend with higher highs on the daily chart. All right, yesterday's price action, you can see kind of an inside day. That's our semiconductors technology sector. Let's take a look at XLF. That's our financials. Financials making higher highs. Puts that in an uptrend status right there. You can see the move up, consolidate, another move up, breaking this downtrend line right through here. So there's XLF on the daily chart. Yesterday's price action, higher low and a higher high. So let's take a look at IYT. This is our transports. Transports tackling the channel right through here. Actually, the resistance line right through here. So transports putting in a higher high also makes them in uptrend status. See a pullback to the 3 EMA yesterday. Yesterday's price action, lower low and the lower high, but in a daily uptrend. So there's IYT also in a daily uptrend. USO making lower highs and lower lows, puts this in a downtrend. That's crude oil. Energy is in a downtrend. UNG, same thing, lower highs and lower lows. Last low, here's the previous low, last low. So we got lower lows and lower highs in energy. Silver, precious metals. So silver is putting in a higher low and now produced the higher high. Silver now reaches uptrend status right there. Silver in an uptrend. GLD putting in a higher low and having made a higher high, also in uptrend. So we got silver and gold in an uptrend. We've got the Fab 5, all the indices in FNGU, all right, also in uptrends. Energy is in a downtrend. We've got SMH, that's our semiconductors, our financials, and our transports, all reaching uptrend status on the daily chart. So we could have a robust market if we could get a nice higher low pullback and then a rally to the upside. So there's gold and silver. Let's take a look at the SPY and the pre-markets, kind of gapping up. This is where we left off yesterday. Here's a gap up on SPY. On the US dollar, you can see US dollar. Here's the July low, October high. Then we consolidated in a bull flag, and now we're pulling back to minor support back here. You can see we got minor support at 103, basically 103.50. Right now, US dollar hovering at 104. All right, so US dollar putting in a bull flag, kind of like a pullback bull flag here in the US dollar. We'll see what happens here. So let's take a look at the economic calendar. Nothing but a whole lot of Fed speakers and housing starts and permits at 8:30. So that's it for the economic calendar. For Max Payne today, 433 is the max pain. I don't think they're going to go for that. Pretty sure they're going to go for the put to call ratio and probably squeeze the shorts and do a short squeeze or a put squeeze right up there. So it looks like they're gapping higher already, prepping to get that done. And that's it for the markets today. I want to thank everyone for being here. I'll see the rest of you here on Monday out there in YouTube land at 8 o'clock when I'll do my next video. I will not be doing a market wrap up at 5 p.m. or 4 p.m. this evening. So that's it. Thank you. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up, the like button, or subscribe. That would be nice too. All right. So everybody out there in YouTube and Rumble, hope to see you again at 8 o'clock on Monday next week.